Well, the time has finally come. Even though I only just posted recently about me reviving my computer, it's now time to pull it apart. Pencil. The modern pencil consists of graphite, clay, and embedded in wood. Created in 1795 by Nicolas Jogues-Conte, a scientist serving in Napoleon Bonaparte's army. A DVD of Scary Movie 2. He-Man, oh, man. Jake Sully from Avatar. What? What the? Oh, yeah.
The batteries of the torch are dead. Let's change them, shall we? First we grab our torch. Hey, wait a minute. This isn't a torch. What the heck?
Alright, we've got a new case. It's lovely. Caution, tempered glass. Nice and tempered. See myself in the reflection. I'm going to set this bad boy up. Bear with me as I pull this apart. Unscrew these knobbly bits. It's a bit dark. I need to turn it. Oh, the goddamn batteries and the freaking torch are dead. Piece of crap. We're going to take those two panels off there. We can see on this side here. Nice little chip set in here to help split out some of the bits and bobs. Little brackets and whatnot in here. Drives. Plugs for everything. Alright. Touching my butt. Touching my foot. It's not jockey milk. Not really a coffee milk. I don't have time for this right now. I'm in a delicate situation. It's a combination of the two. It's a coffee milk.